looks crooked, you know. You see the bottom? There.
Yeah.
Because he should have angled the gate somehow so it looked normal when it met in the middle. I don't know.
Yeah, because one wing is more towards the outside, right?
Yeah.
This wing. The one on the left. The motors are, yeah, look how much room he has to put concrete base, to put a big nice motor.
Yep. Should have put it back further.
And with those motors, the gate in the middle is usually going like that. You see how much give it has?
Yeah.
So that's exactly what happened in the middle too.
No. All right. Well, I'm in good hands now. Thank you, Avi.
Okay, dear. Thank you, Donna. So in here, we were supposed, we came here and we gave a quote to the lady. We gave her nice, good, strong motors and really the way this work needs to be done. And we didn't get the job, and then she called about 14 months later for something else, for 2 other projects that she has, and I asked her, you know, what happened with this gate, and she did it with somebody else. She said, I made a big mistake, I should have gone with you guys. So as you can see, they use the lift master instead of using box motors over here, and the gate is doesn't look straight. You see this wing is coming out about 2 feet instead of bringing it 2 feet inside, so everything will look straight. The motors are not the correct ones, and the gate looks crooked, she says, when it's closed. Yeah, would have been to have a nice thicker frame on a gate like that, very large. Make it also a bit taller. A property like that, huge property. The gate is too short for a property like that. We've done it at least another 2 feet tall. Yeah, that's about it. Those are the things you have to watch for when you're getting a gate. You can always also give me a call at 1-800-562-5770, and we can figure things out for you, even if you're not in the US, wherever you are. Give me a call, we can talk about it a little bit, and I'll let you know what to watch for. Avi Ben David at Mulholland, 1-800-562-5770. Thank you, have a beautiful day.